Hey, welcome to this channel, which is involving with teaching and learning mathematics. My topic today is about algebra, and when we talk of the algebra, we must be familiar with the operation of the integers. So let me remind you, through my previous teachings of about the integers, you will open the heading written primary and secondary mathematics in this channel. There I have posted my teaching of the integers. I have made them to be simple and clear. So before you come to this, just go there, then you will meet with good things about the integers. Today, when we are talking of the algebra, by definition is a branch of mathematics dealing with symbols and the rules for manipulating those symbols. Is a branch of mathematics dealing with symbols and the rules for manipulating those symbols. Now, in elementary algebra, those symbols in which today written as Latin and Greek represents quantities without fixed values known as variables. So when we talk of the variables, these are quantities which are varying. It means which have different values, which have different numbers. Now that different numbers are represented by a letter. Now say the word algebra comes from the Arabic algebra, which means restoring of broken parts. So the science of restoring and balancing by the Persian mathematician and astronomers Al-Khwarizm. This was a mathematician who tried to discuss about the algebra, and from this we can say that therefore algebra we are dealing with letters, the operation of numbers and letters. We have the terms used in algebra. Now the first term is constants. These constants are fixed quantity that does not change. A good example is maybe 3, this is just a number, -6, pi, a half, etc. These are called constants. The second term is variable. Variable is a symbol that we assign to unknown value. Maybe we have a number which is unknown. Now that number which is unknown, we assign it as a letter, maybe like X, like Y, like A, like D, and so on. It is usually represented by the letters such as X, Y, or T, and others. Another term is coefficients. Coefficient is a number that is placed in front of a variable. A good example is 3w plus 4x. 3 is a coefficient of w and 4 is a coefficient of x. In other language, you say that coefficient is a number attached with respect to the interested letter. Like if we talk of the letter x here, the number which is attached is 4, and if we talk of w here, the number which is attached is 3. So 3 is a coefficient of w and 4 is a coefficient of x. We have another terminology, that is terms. By definition, terms, a grouping together of one or more factors that are called variables or numbers, such as 4xy, that is one group, or 3xy plus 5x minus 6. So in this, how do we identify the terms? Now that groups which you are adding or subtracting, we call them as the terms. So you have the terms is 3xy is a term, 5x is a term, and negative 6 is a term. So we are taking that groups which you are adding or you are subtracting. So in this, we have 3 terms. Here we have only one term because we have just only one group. So that is, we have only one term. Another term is expression. Any combination of values and operations that can be used to show things belong together and compares to one another, e.g. 2x squared plus 4x. So that is expression. In other language, is the combination of numbers and letters either by adding or by subtracting or by multiplying or by dividing, but it don't have comparison sign. When we talk of the comparison sign, it can be either equal or less than or greater than, less or equal or greater or equal. Now it is free of comparing sign. So that is an expression. Then we come to another term, which is equations. Equations or equation is a grouping of terms or values that use a sign to show an equal relationship that two quantities are equal. It means we have one expression and we have another expression. They are being compared by equal sign. They are being compared by equal sign. So that are some of the terms which are used in this topic. But also we have the term which is operations. Operations involve the signs which are used to put together the numbers, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and equal sign. That are operations. So the first operator is addition. Now we have some of the terminology which are similar to addition. First, you can meet by the word add, you can meet by the word altogether, you can meet by the word both, you can meet by the word combined, you can meet by the word how many, you can meet by the word increase, you can meet by the word join, you can meet by the word plus, sum, together, and total. We have so many of them, but these are examples of the language which means sum or which means add or which means totalize. Another operator is subtraction. Subtraction, the other language which means the same thing, is deduct, detract, decrease by, difference, how many more, how many left, left over, less than, minus, reduce, remain, remove, subtract, take away, and others. Those are the terms which are used to mean subtraction. We have also the term which is used, multiplication. Now multiplication, the other terms which are used is as much, by, equal, groups. We have groups of, we have lots of, we have multiply, we have multiplied by, we have per, we have product of, we have times. Those are the other languages which means multiplication. But actually we have that which are common is times, multiply, the product. Those are common language. We have also division, that is the fourth operator. Now division means sometimes is said average, sometimes you meet by the word divide, sometimes you meet by the word each, sometimes you meet by the word equal parts, sometimes you meet by the word evenly, sometimes the word every, sometimes the word out of, sometimes the word quotient, sometimes the ratio, shared equally, or split. All that are standing for division. Okay, the last one is equal, that is used for comparing the two expressions. Then we have the other language which are used to means equal. We have balanced, we have equal, we have equivalent, we have the word even, we have gives, we have identical, we have the word is, we have matches, we have the same, we have yields. That are the terms which are used and which have the same meaning as equal. Maybe let us see how to work it out. We have maybe the question: simplify each of the following. Simplify each of the following expressions and state: 1, the number of terms, 2, the coefficients. Now we have the first question is a plus e plus e plus y minus b plus b plus b. B we have b plus b plus b plus b plus c minus b plus k. Then we have x plus x minus y plus b minus x plus a plus a. Now we start solution. Here we should be aware about like terms and unlike terms. So like terms should be combined together and unlike terms should be put separate. Now what do we mean by the like terms? Like terms are that terms which have the same letters. The numbers can be different but have the same letters. Like here, in the first case we have a plus a. There is no any other a. So a and a are like terms. So we here, if there's no coefficient, it means the coefficient is 1 and here is 1. So we have 1 plus 1 is 2a. Again, we have 2 e's throughout. So we have the first e, the second e. We add them. Here is 1 plus 1 is 2e. Then we have y is alone, so we have plus y. B, we have negative b plus b is 0 plus b is b. So this one is a simplified expression. Now when we come to the how many terms, the number of terms, are that groups which we are adding together. So we have this plus this plus this plus this. So we have 4 groups which we are adding together, and hence we have 4 terms. There are 4 terms. The coefficient in A, it means the number which is attached by A is 2. The number which is attached by B by E is 2. The number which is attached by Y is 1. I said if there's no number, means 1 here. And also the number which is attached by B is 1. So we say that the coefficient of A is 2, coefficient of E is 2, coefficient of Y is 1, and the coefficient of B is 1. In the second question, we have B plus B plus B plus B plus C minus B plus K. So B plus B plus B plus B minus B, that are like terms. So we start. B plus B is 2B plus B 3B plus B 4B minus B is 3B. So we are over about collecting like terms which have letter B. Then we come to C. C plus C, because again C and C are the like terms. C plus C is 2C. Then we have K is what? Remaining. So the number of terms here, it means that groups which are adding together, we have 3B, we have 2C, and we have K. So we have 3 terms. The number of terms are 3. Again, the coefficient of B, it means the number attached by B is 3. The number attached by C is 2. The number attached by K is 1. So the coefficient of B is 3. The coefficient of C is 2, and the constant term and the coefficient k is 1. Then we have question C. We have x plus x plus x minus y plus b minus x plus a plus a. So x, and minus x, these are like terms. So we combine them together. We have x plus x is 2x plus x, 3x minus x is 2x. Again, we have for b, we have only one b, so we have plus b. Again, for a and a, we have 2a, so a plus a is 2a. And then we have only one y minus y. So the number of terms, we have the first group, the second group, the third group, the fourth group. So the number of terms are 4. Now the number attached by x is 2. The number attached by b is 1. The number attached by a is 2. The number attached by y is negative 1. Here we have minus, means negative 1. Don't say the coefficient of y is 1, is negative 1. You should take with its sign. So say that the coefficient of x is 2, the coefficient of b is 1, the coefficient of a is 2, and the coefficient of y is negative 1. Then we have some of the questions that will assist you to understand more clearly, and I have put the answers. For this question there is no answers, but maybe other questions will be having answers. Now the question is, simplify the following algebraic expressions and state: 1. The number of terms. 2. The coefficient of each. Now we have 1. N plus n plus n plus a plus a plus n plus n plus a plus a plus a minus n plus n minus a plus a plus a. 2. We have a plus a plus a plus a plus k plus k plus k minus x plus a plus a plus k. 3. Question number 3. We have b plus c plus a plus b plus c minus b plus a plus c plus b plus b. Number 4, we have x plus y plus x minus y plus x plus x plus y. Number 5, we have minus 5p plus n minus a plus b plus b plus a plus a plus a plus a plus 4p. Number 6, the question is x plus y plus z minus x minus y minus z plus a plus x plus x plus y. Then we come to question number 7. We have n plus n plus n plus a plus b. Question number 8, we have k plus k plus k plus k plus q plus q. Then question number 9, we have z plus z plus q plus q plus z plus z plus z plus q. The last question number 10, we have p plus p plus a. We have another question: simplify each of the following expressions. It means you make them simple as possible as you can. So we have 1 is 13m plus n plus 3m. Number 2, we have 0.5n plus 5a plus 1.5n plus 2a. Number 3, we have 4k plus r plus 3k plus 2b plus r. Number 4, we have r plus 2r plus 4 plus 2x plus 17r. Number 5, we have 1 plus a plus b plus a plus b plus a. Number 6, the question is 2a plus a half b plus 3 over 4a plus 3 and a half b plus 1 over 4a. Question number 7 is 2m plus 0.6m plus 6n plus 3m. Question number 8 is 4x plus y plus 3x plus 2y plus 6. Question number 9 is x plus b plus 3x plus 2b. That are questions which you are required to do, and then after doing, you can post it through WhatsApp. I will mark and then I will give you the feedback. Or you can, if there is a question which is which is not clearly understood, it is better if you call me through my phone number 0718794685. You will get me and I will respond to your question. Another question is simplify the following algebraic expression. Number 1, 6a plus 3b minus 10a minus 7b plus 3x. Number 2, we have 2x plus 3y plus 2n minus 7x minus y minus 7n. Number 3, we have 0.5x plus 7.2n plus 3.6a minus 1.6n minus 1.6n minus 0.1x. Question number 4, we have 6a plus 3b plus 3c minus a minus b minus c. Number 5, 1 over 4a plus 2b plus x minus b minus 1 over 3a minus 1 over 2x. Question number 6, we have negative 2 over 3a minus 6x minus r plus a plus 2x plus 7r. Question number 7 is 24x plus 8y plus 3z minus 3y minus 6x minus z. Question number 8, we have 0.8a minus mn plus r plus 6mn minus 0.2a minus 7r. Question number 9, we have 3q minus r plus 6r minus 13q plus 4. Question number 10, we have minus 24 plus 3q minus 26a plus 16 minus 2q. So this part I have tried to give the answer. So when you do, you come to check that answers. For question number 1, the answer is minus 4a minus 4b plus 3x. For number 2 is minus 5x plus 2y minus 5n. For 3, we have 0.4x plus 4n plus 3.6a. For question number 4, we have 5a plus 2b plus 2c. For question number 5, we have minus a over 12 plus b plus a half x. For question number 6 is 1 over 3a minus 4x plus 6c r. For question number 7 is 18x plus 5y plus 2z. For question number 8 is 0.6a plus 5mn minus 6r. For question number 9 is negative 10q plus 5r plus 4. And question number 10 is negative 8 plus q minus 26a. Thank you very much. I'm still insisting, do that questions, then you can visit me. You can recommend also through my Facebook, which is Magombola Mathematics Online, or through WhatsApp. My number is 794685. There you will get me, and also I will assist you. And if you have a problem in any branch of mathematics, just phone through the number which I have given you. I will assist you. Thank you very much. Welcome again.